This is going to be a short Vedana or feeling tone meditation. And if you're not familiar with Vedana, I recommend watching the video first explaining what it is. I'll link to it down below. But let's get started. You can allow your eyes to close. Find your meditation posture. And right here at the beginning, just taking a moment to notice if there is a sense of feeling tone of pleasantness or unpleasantness or neutrality. Could notice if the mind or mental state feels pleasant or unpleasant or neutral. If the body overall or specific parts of the body might feel pleasant or unpleasant or neutral. Maybe there's sounds arising that are pleasant or unpleasant. You don't need to change anything or fix anything. Just using this as kind of a way to ground ourselves or connect with the present moment. And we'll start with just a minute or two of anchoring in the breath. So you can pick a spot in the body where you can feel the breath naturally. Maybe the tip of the nose, where you can feel the air coming in, tickling ever so slightly, and slightly warmer with the exhale. It could be the chest or abdomen, where you can feel the expansion and contraction as the body breathes itself. Picking just one spot for now, and resting your awareness here. This one breath in front of you. From the beginning of the inhale, all the way through to the end of the exhale. You don't need to force the attention down or strain, but gently collecting your attention onto this point in the body. And we'll open up into a more open awareness practice. So as you rest with the breath, noticing what else comes into your awareness. If you hear a sound, you might say sound or hearing in your head. When thoughts arise, just noting thinking. If it's a sensation in the body, feeling. And so you can rest with the breath, kind of waiting for something else to arise into your awareness. You don't need to force it or go out looking for it. Sitting here in this kind of receptive mode. When a thought comes up, just noting thinking, not getting carried off by it. And then coming back to the breath and waiting for the next thing to arise. As you rest in this open awareness and notice things arising, you can now bring in this practice of noting the feeling tone or Vedana. So when a thought arises, you might note thinking, pleasant, if it's a pleasant thought, sound, unpleasant, feeling in the body, neutral. There's no right or wrong answer. There's not a correct or incorrect feeling tone. Just investigating whether the experience lands as pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.